Welcome to the SmartLink Network how-to video series by Weathermatic. In today's demonstration, we're going to discuss how to perform the stress test. This will consist of 10 consecutive receives to determine whether or not you have a stable connection with your SmartLink Aircard and the SmartLink Network cloud services. The first thing you'd like to do when looking at your Aircard and its connectivity is the signal strength information. It's important to verify you have a strong signal and that you have minimal interference. So as we look here, we see our signal strength is negative 59 dBms. Negative 51 is the best possible signal strength. Our percentage is 87%. 100% obviously is best. And then our bit error rate down here at the bottom as seen as 0.8 to 1.6%. That's very low. 0.2% is best. So our goal is to achieve, the best possible signal with minimal interference. So if you're seeing that you're achieving, 3 to 6%, that's a moderate level of interference. But anything over 6 would be considered a lot of interference, and that may hinder your capacity to communicate while on site or even remotely. So what you'd like to do is when you set up the controller, or if you're troubleshooting an existing connection, you start by receiving the system after verifying the signal information. And you'll do 10 back-to-back commands. And you want to take a look at that signal information to see if you're getting any improvement or deterioration as you move your Aircard about, if you find it necessary to do so. But you want to get at least 7, if not 10 of your commands completed to be considered stable. Because remember, this Aircard is going to be positioned in a static condition. Unlike us, when we're using smartphones, we can move around if we're getting some distortion or interference on our connection with our conversation. So we just want to try to get the optimal connection for the most success. So the first command was completed. I'm going to send the second now, and we'll go ahead and take a look at this signal information here. So it looks like we're pretty much the same at this point, and we're just going to continue. Actually, we've gone up a little bit from 0.8 now to 1.6 to 3.2. So we'll go ahead and just continue this test. And ultimately at the end, if we get 7 out of 10 at least, then we can consider this a good location at this point in time. So we'll go ahead and initiate that again. If you're getting 6 or less when you're doing the stress test, then you'll want to look at relocating the Aircard. Now I know the standard Aircard has probably about 36 inches of cable provided. Try first just to get that Aircard up above the controller as high as possible, and then start the stress test over and take a look at that signal information. If you're just not having any success with the standard Aircard, we do have a 50-foot cable option for you to install. And what you'll do is just simply contact us at support@weathermatic.com, or you can call us on our support line at 888-484-3776, and we'll simply help you swap out that Aircard. We'll send you the extended version of the Aircard. You'll ship us back your standard Aircard, and that will give you more freedom to perhaps get away from things creating interference for you, such as large tree canopies or large shrubs, electrical equipment, overhead power lines, just to name a couple things. So yeah, that'll give you some extension there on some mobility to move about and try to grab onto a better signal. So ultimately here, again, the stress test, helps you determine whether or not you're going to have successful communications. And when you take a look at your communication log, you can see how many commands you've completed. And here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're 10 for 10 here. And as you can see, the signal's been pretty clean. So that's it. That is the stress test. That will help you determine whether or not you're going to have stable connectivity. All right. So again, if you need support, please feel free to contact us at support@weathermatic.com, or again, call us at 888-484-3776. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.